The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 23. Moreover, Mahāmati, bodhisattvas should be well acquainted with the three modes of reality. And what are the three modes of reality? Imagined reality, dependent reality, and perfected reality. Mahāmati, imagined reality arises from appearances. And how does imagined reality arise from appearances? Mahāmati, as the objects and forms of dependent reality appear, attachment results in two kinds of imagined reality. These are what the Tathagatas, the Arhats, the fully enlightened ones, describe as attachment to appearance and attachment to name. Attachment to appearance involves attachment to external and internal entities, while attachment to name involves attachment to the individual and shared characteristics of these external and internal entities. These are the two kinds of imagined reality. What serves as the ground and objective support from which they arise is dependent reality. And what is perfected reality? This is the mode that is free from name or appearance, or from projection. It is attained by Buddha knowledge, and is the realm where the personal realization of Buddha knowledge takes place. This is perfected reality, and the heart of the Tathagata Garbha. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. Name and appearance and projection, these characterize two modes of reality. Correct knowledge and suchness, these characterize the perfected mode. Mahāmati, this is what is known as the teaching of how to view what characterizes the five dharmas and the modes of reality. This is the realm where the personal realization of Buddha knowledge takes place, and which you and other bodhisattvas should cultivate.